While it may not seem like a big deal, good ice can make or break a drink. Not all ice cube trays are created equal. Many don't come with lids, which makes them prone to spilling and attracting odors. No one wants ice flavored like whatever food stuck in the back of the freezer. We're also not big fans of struggling to get ice out of the tray, and some release cubes better than others. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best ice cube trays in 2023. So let's get started.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
Number 1. Wanpi Peak Silicone Everyday Ice Tray. You can't go wrong with the highly rated Wanpi Peak Silicone Everyday Ice Tray, which holds 12 1.25-inch ice cubes. It's made of food-grade, BPA-free silicone that wraps a steel frame for durability. The lid prevents spills and helps it stack in the freezer, in addition to keep ice from absorbing odors. Due to its flexibility, you can easily pop out one cube at a time. Number 2. Tovolo Sphere Ice Molds. Tovolo Sphere Ice Molds are a popular option for creating large, round ice spheres that are perfect for use in cocktails or any other beverages. They are made from durable silicone and are designed to be easy to use, with a simple fill and freeze process. The molds create ice spheres that are approximately 2.5 inches in diameter, which is larger than traditional ice cubes and provides a slower melting rate. One of the benefits of Tovolo Sphere Ice Molds is that they are versatile and can be used to make not only ice, but also flavored ice, gelatin, and even baked goods. The molds are dishwasher-safe, making them easy to clean, and they are also stackable, making them easy to store in your freezer. Number 3. OXO Good Grips No Spill Ice Cube Tray. The OXO Good Grips No Spill Ice Cube Tray is a popular option for those who want to make ice cubes without the mess. The tray is designed with a silicone lid that creates a seal, preventing spills and making it easy to stack multiple trays on top of each other. The tray is made from durable plastic and features a comfortable handle that makes it easy to carry, even when full of water. The silicone lid is flexible and easy to remove, and the tray itself is dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. One potential downside of the OXO Good Grips No Spill Ice Cube Tray is that it may not create ice cubes as quickly as some other trays, due to the silicone lid that slows down the freezing process. However, this can also result in ice cubes that are clearer and more uniform in size and shape. Number 4. Adoric Ice Cube Trays Silicone. It's good to have a few different ice options at your disposal. This set includes 2 molds, one for creating 2-inch cubes, and another for crafting ice balls. Both the large cubes and spherical ice are perfect for drinks that you don't want to dilute quickly. Big ice pieces melt more slowly, and therefore add less water to the drink over time. If you've ever been to an in-the-know bar, you've likely experienced this ice trend, and these molds bring it right to your home. Number 5. AiBast Ice Cube Trays. This set of AiBast ice cube trays includes 3 silicone trays of different shapes and sizes. The large spheres and square cubes are great for cocktails, while the honeycomb cubes add a unique touch to your drink. These ice molds seal very well with their silicone lids, said one reviewer. The silicone makes removal easy. That was our list of the top 5 best ice cube trays, just for you.